in the results which I have discussed, if a plus b is assumed as c and a minus b is assumed as d, then four very important results also comes. That is, first result was that sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, this value is equals to 2 sine a cos of b. Sine a plus b and sine a minus b, when expanded and added, results comes out to be 2 sine a cos b. I would like to tell you that if this a plus b is assumed as c and a minus b is assumed as d, so what can be possible to write the left hand side? Sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sine. If I add these two results, I will get the answer of a as c plus d upon 2. This become c plus d upon 2. 2 sine c plus d upon 2, and after subtracting these two assumptions, we will get the value of b will be c minus d upon 2. So, one more important result required to use in the chapter, subtopic transformation formulae. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, the result of sin c minus sin d comes as 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sine of c minus d by 2. And the value of cos c plus cos d, it comes as 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. And last formula required for the chapter is cos c minus cos d. This result is given by 2 sine c plus d by 2. Especially take care here, it is sine of d minus c by 2. If one would like to write here c minus d by 2, then the negative will come in front of the right hand side. So these are the four results. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And last, cos c minus cos d is given by 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. We will use these results to solve many problems related to the transformation of formulae.